Alright everybody, welcome to another HealthX video. In today's video I wanted to take you around this Pride Quantum Q6 Edge eye level. It's in immaculate condition and I believe it's a 2021 model. Have a look around here, there's nothing on this chair that isn't an option. It has everything. It's in immaculate condition. We still even have the tags here. Just take a look how clean this is. It has every function. We've got the elevated footrest up at the moment. We've got an individual recline. We've also got seat recline and back recline alongside the rising function there. This is just in incredible condition. It's currently for sale at $2,495. And this is an absolute steal because new, these are around £8,000 and this was only a year back. Just want you to observe, we've got our LCD display here that shows the time, all the different functions. You can also control the functions here. Let's see if we can show you some of those right now. Here we're going down and it's actually as well, it's automatic, so you don't even need to touch it. Watch that close there. How cool is that? Because a lot of these are you have to do it and hold it. This is an automatic decline. Incredible bit of kit here. Let's see what else we can do here. Let's push this back down. Again, everything's working perfectly. This is incredible condition. So it elevates and it slides back up into place there. You know, there isn't a function on this chair that isn't on another power chair. The only thing it doesn't do is stand you up, but we all know they come a lot more pricier than these do. Again, this was nearly £8,000 around a year ago. I believe this is just incredible condition. It's not to be missed. Take a look around it now here. Just look at the condition. Very comfy pad on the seat. It's a J Easy, so J comfort all round. Just a really nice chair. If you want to check this out, I'll leave the link in the description below. If not, head to www.healthx.store.